Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some groundbreaking leaks about Fujifilm that could change the medium format camera landscape. If you remember the whispers from last December about a compact medium format camera, it looks like they were spot on. Now we finally have what appears to be the first real images of the highly anticipated Fujifilm GFX 100RF, and it's shaping up to be a revolutionary piece of gear. A game changer in medium format cameras. The GFX 100RF is turning heads for its shockingly compact design. Despite housing a massive 43.9 by 32.9mm sensor, which is about 67% larger than full frame, Fujifilm has managed to fit all that power into a body roughly the size of a Leica Q3. Traditionally, medium format cameras have been bulky and cumbersome, but Fujifilm seems determined to challenge that stereotype. From the first leaked images, the camera boasts a sleek, all-black design that retains Fuji's signature aesthetic. Even in its more compact form, it doesn't compromise on essential features. The inclusion of an electronic viewfinder is particularly impressive, as smaller form factors often sacrifice this feature. Fans of Fujifilm's classic approach will also appreciate the tactile dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation. Elements that reinforce Fuji's dedication to a seamless user experience. Unique features setting it apart. While Fuji has remained true to its roots, the GFX 100RF introduces some innovative features. One standout addition is a dedicated aspect ratio dial, allowing photographers to switch framing on the fly without digging into menus. This can be a game changer for professionals who need quick adjustments. Another unexpected feature is the crop lever, which functions as a built-in digital zoom switch. While the concept of digital zoom on a 100MP medium format camera may seem unconventional, Fujifilm likely has a clever execution planned. The ability to switch perspectives with physical control could be a huge advantage for street and travel photographers. The official reveal and expected pricing. So when can we expect to see this beauty officially? Fujifilm recently dropped a teaser video from Prague, setting the stage for March 20, 2025, during the Fujifilm X Summit. All signs point to the GFX 100RF being a headliner at the event. As for pricing, early rumors suggest an estimated $5,000 price tag. While that's a significant investment, it's surprisingly reasonable in the medium format world, making high-resolution imaging more accessible than ever before. Lens and low-light considerations. One potential sticking point for some users is the expected lens configuration. The GFX 100RF is rumored to feature a fixed 35mm f/4 lens, which translates to roughly 28mm f/3.2 in full-frame terms. This setup is ideal for landscapes, environmental portraits, and street photography but might struggle in low-light conditions compared to the Leica Q3, which features a faster 28mm f/1.7 lens. Perhaps the biggest question is whether the lens will be interchangeable. Based on leaked images, there's no visible release button, strongly suggesting a fixed lens design. If true, this could be a deal-breaker for photographers who prefer lens flexibility. The impact on medium format photography. Fujifilm is making a bold move by pushing medium format into more compact territory. If successful, the GFX 100RF could bridge the gap between high-resolution professional cameras and portable, travel-friendly designs. However, the fixed lens and slower aperture may limit its appeal among users who prioritize versatility or low-light performance. Is this the future of medium format cameras, or does it have too many compromises? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Fujifilm's X Pro series future. Skipping the X Pro 4? While Fujifilm fans are eagerly awaiting the GFX 100RF, another big rumor is making waves: the fate of the X Pro series. If you were expecting an X Pro 4 soon, you might be in for a surprise. No X Pro 4? Here's why Fujifilm might skip it. Rumors suggest that Fujifilm will jump straight to the X Pro 6, potentially skipping the X Pro 4 and 5 altogether. But why? One theory is cultural superstition. Many Asian cultures consider the number 4 unlucky. However, marketing strategy may also play a role. Interestingly, there won't be an X Pro release in 2025 either. If the leaks are accurate, the next model won't arrive until 2026, leaving a longer than expected gap in the series. Learning from the X Pro 3's challenges. A big reason for the delay could be the lukewarm reception of the X Pro 3. Fujifilm made a bold move with a hidden LCD screen meant to encourage photographers to focus on the viewfinder. While innovative, this design frustrated many users, making the camera less intuitive. Instead of enhancing usability, it added unnecessary steps to the shooting process. Fujifilm is likely using this extra time to refine the X Pro series, ensuring that the next model better meets the needs of its dedicated fanbase. What the X Pro 6 needs to succeed. If Fujifilm wants the X Pro 6 to be a hit, there are a few key upgrades they should consider. A more practical display. Whether it's tilting, fixed, or fully articulating, the next iteration must have a user-friendly screen. Faster and more accurate autofocus. With modern advancements, there's no excuse for slow focusing, especially in a camera meant for professionals. Enhanced low-light performance. Improving ISO performance and dynamic range will make the X Pro 6 more competitive. Weather sealing and improved ergonomics. A durable body and comfortable grip are essential for photographers who shoot in diverse conditions. The long wait. Smart or risky? Waiting until 2026 might be frustrating for X Pro fans, but it also means Fujifilm has time to perfect the next model. Rushing the release could result in another divisive design like the X Pro 3's hidden screen. If Fujifilm listens to user feedback and focuses on intuitive usability, the X Pro 6 could be a significant leap forward. For now, photographers who love Fujifilm's aesthetic but need a more traditional experience might consider the XT series. It offers similar image quality and design elements without the quirks of the X Pro lineup. Final thoughts. Between the GFX 100RF and the future of the X Pro series, Fujifilm is making bold moves in 2025 and beyond. Whether it's redefining medium format portability or rethinking its classic X Pro design, these decisions could have a lasting impact on photography. What are your thoughts on the GFX 100RF? Is it a revolutionary step forward, or does the fixed lens limit its appeal? And how do you feel about the X Pro lineup's uncertain future? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates.